Today I will introduce a sanding machine with planer function. The first axis is the planing axis. The second and third axis are sanding axes. Individual start button for planing shaft. The second and third axis sanding belts have separate start buttons. Conveyor belt individual start button. Adjustable conveying speed. Input the plate size and the platform can automatically rise and fall. Add the plate. Photoelectric device controls the swing of the sanding belt. A complete view inside the machine during processing. Welcome to consult 加15692009875